Hello! In this presentation, we're going to solve more exercises on power. The figure here shows a chair lift which lifts a 60 kg skier up a height of 500 meters to the top of the lift in 10 minutes. How much work does the chair lift do? The work is given by the equation W is equal to mgh, where m is the mass, g is the gravitational strength, and h is the height lifted. So here, the skier is of 60 kilograms and the height is 500 meters, where the gravitational strength is 10. So 60 kilograms multiplied by 10 multiplied by 500 meters gives an answer of 300,000 joules. Let's check this answer. And good job! Let's move to the second question. How much power is used up? The power is calculated by the equation P is equal to the work done divided by the time taken. The work done is calculated in the previous question, which is 300,000 joules, and the time taken is 10 minutes. And here, don't forget to transform the 10 minutes into seconds by multiplying it by 60. So, the answer is 300,000 joules divided by 10 minutes multiplied by 60 gives an answer of 500 watts. Let's check this answer. Good job!